In the depths of history, a prophecy lies dormant waiting for its time to awaken. Emerging from the shadows of the past, we find ourselves in the presence of a man who was known to peer into the future, a man named Michel den Nostradamus, or as we know him, Nostradamus, a physician by trade, a prophet by destiny. Nostradamus left behind a collection of cryptic quatrains that have intrigued and baffled us for centuries. His writings, filled with symbolism and mystery, have been tied to many significant events throughout history, but today we're here to discuss one prophecy that has yet to come to fruition, a prophecy that is set to awaken in April 2024, and it revolves around the enigmatic zodiac sign Gemini, a whisper of wealth, a hint of fortune, and a promise of a sum so staggering it's hard to fathom. 40 million, the prophecy hints. Are you ready to uncover the ancient secret that could change your life forever? Twins of the stars, the constellation of Gemini, are you prepared for what fate has planned for you? The Gemini zodiac, represented by the celestial twins, is an air sign that is characterized by its dynamic personality, quick wit, and vibrant spirit. In astrology, Gemini is known for its adaptability and versatility, its curious mind, and its desire for constant change. The Gemini sign is also associated with communication, which is why Geminis are often found to be very articulate and expressive. They are also known for their ability to make connections with others, which is a trait that resonates with their symbol, the twins. But as we move deeper into the year 2024, a shocking prophecy awaits the Geminis, a prophecy so grand it could change the course of your life forever. So are you ready, Gemini, to discover what the stars have in store for you? Hold on tight, Gemini, for a cosmic roller coaster ride is about to begin. In the words of Nostradamus, a fortune of unimaginable proportions awaits the Gemini. Now let's journey together into the depths of this fascinating prophecy. In the 16th century, a man named Michel den, more commonly known as Nostradamus, penned a series of quatrains that have since been interpreted as predictions of the future. He was a physician, astrologer, and reputed seer, renowned for his prophecies that spanned centuries. Among his cryptic writings, one particular prophecy has caught the attention of astrologers and enthusiasts alike. It speaks of the twins, the celestial symbol of Gemini, receiving a bounty of $40 million, and this isn't just any prediction. It's set to unfold in April of 20124. Imagine that, a prophecy from centuries ago pointing to a specific time in our current era. The mere thought sends shivers down the spine, doesn't it? But how did Nostradamus, living in the 16th century, predict such an event? And why Gemini? Well, Nostradamus was known to study the stars, and Gemini, symbolized by the twins, is a prominent constellation in the sky. It's possible that he saw something in the stars that led him to this astonishing prediction. He might have seen a pattern, a celestial alignment, or some cosmic event that signified a great fortune descending upon those born under this star sign. But what does this mean for you, Gemini? A windfall of $40 million is no small sum. It's a life-changing amount of fortune that could turn dreams into reality. It's the kind of wealth that could transform not just your life, but the lives of those around you. However, prophecies are often shrouded in mystery, their true meanings hidden under layers of symbolism and metaphor. So while this prediction sounds straightforward, there might be more to it than meets the eye. But what could this mean, and how can you as a Gemini prepare for this? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this prophecy and what it could potentially mean for you. Let's explore this fascinating prediction together. Gemini, the future awaits, the stars are aligned, and the prophecy is clear. But how do we understand it, you might ask? Well, let's dive into the realm of possibilities, shall we? Firstly, let's consider what Nostradamus himself might have meant. His prophecies are known for their cryptic nature, often shrouded in metaphor and symbolism. Could the $40 million refer to a literal windfall of wealth, or perhaps it symbolizes an abundance of blessings, opportunities, or experiences that are as priceless as they are numerous? Imagine for a moment the Gemini zodiac sign not just as an astrological symbol but as representative of duality, versatility, and adaptability. Could the prophecy be alluding to a time of great change or transformation? Is it possible that you, Gemini, are standing on the precipice of a life-altering moment that will bring about an influx of blessings and opportunities? And what about the timing? April, the third month of the year, a time of transition from winter to spring. Could this be a metaphorical reference to a period of growth and renewal, hinting at a rebirth or evolution of sorts? Of course, these are all speculative interpretations. The beauty of Nostradamus's prophecies lies in their ambiguity, providing ample room for personal interpretation and introspection. It's a cosmic nudge urging you to reflect, to question, and to seek your own truths. So what does this prophecy mean to you, Gemini? Is it a promise of a financial windfall, or a call to embrace change and growth? Could it be an invitation to seek out new opportunities, or a reminder of the abundance of blessings that surround you? We may not have all the answers, but one thing is certain: the stars have something extraordinary in store for you. And while we may not be able to fully decipher the mysteries of Nostradamus's prophecy, we can certainly revel in the excitement and anticipation it brings. Are you feeling the thrill yet, Gemini? The climax of our story is just around the corner. As we stand on the precipice of the future, the prophecy is about to unfold. The curtain is being drawn back, Gemini, and an incredible destiny waits in the wings. Picture it, a windfall of $40 million. It's a sum that could change the course of your life, a sum that could rewrite your stars. Imagine the doors that could open, the opportunities that could arise, a world of freedom, of choice, of endless possibilities. You could explore new passions, invest in your dreams, or perhaps even change the world. Will you build a business empire, or become a philanthropist? Will you travel the world, or create a sanctuary at home, a haven for those you love? The choice is yours, Gemini. This is not just a prediction but a glimpse into a potential future, a future where you are the master of your own destiny. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. How you choose to wield this potential fortune, should it come to pass, is entirely up to you. The suspense is building, the excitement is palpable. You might find yourself looking at your life through a new lens, questioning the status quo, and dreaming of what could be. This is the magic of prophecy, the allure of the unknown. It sparks curiosity, fuels ambition, and opens the door to a world of possibilities. Will you rise to the occasion, Gemini? Will you seize this moment, this opportunity, with both hands? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the universe is conspiring in your favor. The future is a blank canvas, ready to be painted with the colors of your dreams. Embrace the uncertainty, for within it lies the potential for extraordinary transformation. As the clock ticks closer to April, the month of destiny, remember to keep your heart and mind open. The prophecy is a guiding light, a beacon in the night. But you are the artist, you hold the brush, you have the power to shape your destiny. The stars are whispering, Gemini. Can you hear them? The clock is ticking, Gemini. April 2024 is just around the corner. Let's take a moment to recap this extraordinary prediction of Nostradamus. The 16th century seer foresaw a windfall of $40 million coming the way of those born under the sign of Gemini. His prophecy, shrouded in mystery and riddled with symbolism, has been painstakingly deciphered to reveal this stunning prediction. The implications are as vast and varied as the stars in the Gemini constellation. This windfall could mean a change of status, a shift in lifestyle, or even the beginning of a new chapter in your life story. It might come in the form of a lottery win, an unexpected inheritance, or a business venture that skyrockets to success. But remember, destiny is not something that just happens, it is something you embrace. It's your chance to step into the spotlight and take center stage in the grand theater of life. It's your opportunity to seize the day and shape your own future. It's your moment to dream big and reach for the stars. So as we inch close to April 2024, it's time to prepare for this exciting era. It's time to set your sights on the horizon and envision the life you want to lead. It's time to nurture your dreams and nourish your ambitions. It's time to harness the energy of the universe and point taken, channel it towards your goals. Remember, this prediction isn't just about the money, it's about the journey, it's about the transformation, it's about the evolution of your spirit. So let this prophecy be a catalyst for change. Let it inspire you to strive for greatness, to chase your passions, and to live your life to the fullest. As Nostradamus once said, the future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. So dream big, Gemini, for your stars are about to shine brighter than ever before.